front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accounts and Sync. When you're ready, use this icon next to Google and click on Google account. Then you need to select the one that you wish to use to autofill your passwords and hit continue. When you finished, select Google Password Manager, and to add a password, select Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!